do men do the same to
Yes,
their wives?
yes. But now if you are a man, you will be having 2 of these padlock.
Yeah.
We lock this, then we lock another one. They become 2.
Why men they should have 2?
So that the men who will come and sleep with your wife will be stuck.
Is this God?
Yes.
Okay. So stuck isn't like banamathela like this.
Yes.
Then bazohlukaniswa yini ke?
Wena ngozafika uvula ama-padlock.
Then bese bayahlukana.
Why? Antoni ufuna evidence ukuthi umfazi wakhe yakujolela.
So do men do that?
Plenty. On this thing, I've got a lot of people in Zimbabwe, and some of them, they are coming from South Africa, Swaziland, Botswana, who are coming for a padlock.
Just this.
Yes.
Phela la like mina yazi ukuthi yazenza ne. Yabona chain.
Yeah.
Like mina uhlale emkhukhwini like it's your key.
Yokuthi uprotect umkhukhu.
Yeah.
Same method yokuprotect umkhukhu is same method you are protecting your marriage.
Yeah.